All right, everybody, we're here, Copperhead Strike, as you can see. Nobody behind us just yet. We took the early entry, so we jumped in line to be first in line, is what I'm trying to say, at Copperhead. So here it is up here. It's a launch coaster. It's got nice theming. They make you put absolutely everything in the lockers. You can't have anything unless it's secure with the strap. So you're good with like sunglasses or your glasses, prescription glasses with a strap. You can do that. Other than that, everything's got to go in the lockers. The lockers are right over here to the right. You can just jam your stuff right in there. You come up here to the left and then get on the ride. Join us for the ride. Copperhead Strike looks like snake themed here. No loose articles past this point. Loose articles are not permitted. Leave loose articles. It's got a lot of do not enter signs over here. Nice theming though. Just thought we'd take a peek, see what it looks like. It says nothing to see here. Beware of snakes. Turn back now. We were confused on if this was the entrance or not, so we asked the attendant there and he said yeah. So okay, always interesting when there's no line. Oh, it's way back here tucked away. They just really give you a lot of warning to like put your stuff up. So there's the seat. It's just got the lap bar, so this should be a wild one. Oh, I guess we're not morning. Good morning. Friendly staff. Last chance. Got the water park back here to the left. Get a little glimpse of it in this entry queue area. I bet this is a lot of sun daytime. Oh boy. Sometimes they have the misters on those things and it doesn't do great. So they do. We'll see when we get there. Morning. 2. You care if I ride up front with him? You care if I ride up front with you?
I don't care.
All right. What's your name?
I'm Brace.
What was it?
Brace.
Brace. I'm Travis.
Don my nickname.
Brace. I'm Travis. Nice to meet you.
You look like you ride. I'm very fast.
All right. Every Saturday, huh? Oh. Oh, thank you so much. Tighten them up. Any advice?
No. Enjoy the ride.
Just enjoy the ride. Do you hold the handles or you just let it go?
Whatever you want to do.
All right. All right.
I'll clear this back.
First ride of the day. Oh lordy. Oh lordy. All right. Oh baby. The breeze. Woo! Awesome. Wow. It's got good pacing. It really does.
Again. Yeah!
Everybody want to run again?
Yeah!
Oh, we're going again? Okay.
This better than fear.
All right, I guess we're going back to back.
It's better.
Yeah! If I find me a wife, you don't.
Y'all ready?
We're going for a double ride.
Yeah.
All right.
Double ride, yeah. Fear ain't got nothing on this.
Double ride.
Best ride in the park.
Yeah.
All clear this much.
All clear. Double ride.
Later, you're about to find out.
Double ride, everybody. Wow. You're just dangling by your thighs on that. Amazing. Okay. The launch. Let's get settled in on this one. Oh, baby. Angle feet. In the air. Second launch. Then little short stall. Holy smokes. And back to the park. Oh man. So how many in a row have you ridden in the start of a park today? Just two? Pretty much a double ride? All right. Three, I don't know.
You enjoyed that second ride?
Oh,
When that orange left bar pops up,
that just put it to a whole new level.
Today, after riding Copperhead Strike.
It's time to eat now. I eat free all day anyway.
Wow.
Those gates all through. Those gates are closing in 3, 2, 1. Those gates are closing.
Did I tell y'all it was a bad ride?
All right, fellow riders, just coming off a double ride of Copperhead Strike, walked right on, double ride, back to back. What'd you think, Becky?
Really awesome ride. I love the part of where the launch comes out of the barn. And that first loop there where you're kind of hanging, loved it.
All right, so for me, front row, it really pushes you fast and then it kind of like slows you down on all the loops. I don't know how many inversions we actually did with the double ride. I'm gonna say it's at least 10 to 12, hard to say. So that's a lot in like a 3-minute period of time. Right out of the gate, first ride in the park. I wasn't expecting that, but that's a luxury anytime you can just do a walk on and get a double ride by the staff like that. Awesome time. I'm gonna catch my breath and we're gonna walk down to the next ride, and we'll see you all very soon on the next one. Thanks for subscribing.